Okay, we got a 2013 Audi Q5. It needs, sway bar links. So we're gonna go ahead and get them put in. So we're gonna get the tires off and get the sway bar links. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that on an Audi Q5. Okay, so to get them lug nuts off, 17 millimeter. Now you know I'm on the Milwaukee. Never, that's all I fuck with. So we're gonna go and get these off. Call it a day and get started. Okay, so we'll get these lug nuts off and then we'll get into the job. Okay, the tire's off. Now we inspecting the suspension. That's what we're doing. A suspension inspection. So we replacing these links here for the sway bar. So let's go ahead and get to the job. Get into this job and get all this up. We're checking these. So let's get into it. Sway bar link here. Removal. It's a tight job. As you can see, them nuts and this nut here. So we're gonna get this out of here. All right, y'all know I'm back on it. I mean, this all I got. I ain't got my freeze on me. I'm working at the shop, so I'm not mobile today. So, you know, we keep some PB at the shop, so we'll go and spray this shit down. You can't go wrong with this PB. That's real talk, for real. Like this shit here, this ain't for no game. Okay, so let's get them up out of there. Okay, so it's a 16 millimeter. Take them bolts off that sway bar. So get your 16 millimeter. Yeah. Go and do your thing. Get it in there. That's that. Okay. All right, it's coming. Okay. It's a hand job. You can't really get no air stuff in there, so no cordless shit, so just gotta hand them out. But that's that. So we're gonna get this bottom out and move to the top. Okay, for that top bolt, you gotta put your wrench on that one, cause it ain't no room. So, see what I got? Got my Milwaukee to get him out of there. All right, I broke it. You should better pull that bitch out by hand. See? Out of there. We got a new one. Part number. That's the part number. See, the aftermarket one made out of aluminum. Factory is out of plastic, but they're the same size. Okay, let's get him in. Okay, so I'm getting him in. As you can see, you got to make sure that the lip is to the metal. Right there, the lip. This side of the book got to be to the metal. Okay, so remember that. Hand tightening. Okay, let's get it in. I'm gonna show you the trick how to get this. Cause see, look, it's too tall. It's not gonna get in here. So I'm gonna show you what you gotta do so you can get this in. Okay, so to get this top screw in here and here, you gotta jack it up. All right, jack it up, Nick. Hold on, come on. Come on. Hold on. That might be it. Hold on. Okay. I hope she in. Okay. That's it. Nope, no more. The wrench. Okay, you see how we got it set up? Okay. Get your tools like that. She set up, she locked in. Alright, so it's on. Stabilizer link is on, as you can see. So you can see how to do it. Flow jack your best friend when you're doing suspension. Okay, let's get the tire on, that's it.